Welcome to the best picks. The best screen door repair is probably one of the most frustrating household problems, but thankfully, there's a simple solution. This video will review the best screen door mesh repair kits on the market, comparing their ease of use, durability, and overall effectiveness in patching those annoying holes and tears in your screen door, so you can enjoy a pest-free summer without the hassle of replacing the entire screen. Number 5. by.RHO Window Screen Repair Tape. It's so easy to use, just cut, peel, and stick it on. You'll have your screens fixed in minutes, no tools needed. This tape is made with non-toxic materials, keeping your family safe and your home healthy. It's a worry-free solution for repairs. The strong 3-layer adhesive ensures a long-lasting repair that can withstand daily use, even in tough conditions. It's built to last. It's perfect for windows, doors, tents, anywhere you need to repair a screen. Use it indoors or outdoors, it adapts to many surfaces. It's made to withstand extreme weather, from freezing cold to intense heat and rain. This high-quality tape is made in Korea for lasting performance. What we like. If you need a fast and effortless repair, this is perfect. Its non-toxic adhesive ensures a healthy home environment. The strong adhesion guarantees long-lasting results, making it ideal for busy households. What people say. This tape is sticky enough to hold and serve its purpose. It has a self-stick surface. It seems sturdy. It keeps bugs out. It's waterproof. Number 4. TOOLTRIZ Window Screen Repair Kit. Frustrated with torn or worn-out window screens? This kit has everything you need for a quick and easy fix. Let's get started. It includes a new screen, a roller tool, spline, cutter, hook, and measuring tape, everything for a professional-looking repair in just 10 minutes. The durable fiberglass mesh provides a clear view, excellent air circulation, and keeps bugs out. It's built to last for at least 5 years. The ergonomic roller tool and sharp cutter make installing the new screen a breeze. The spline is strong and easy to use. It's perfect for windows, sliding doors, patios, and more. Easily replace damaged screens and keep your home pest-free. This kit is superior to what you'll find in stores. Get yours now and enjoy fresh air and a beautiful view, without the bugs. What we like. If you value convenience and a complete solution, this kit is for you. The high-quality mesh and tools ensure a long-lasting repair. It's suitable for various applications, from windows to patios. What people say. This kit came with everything to take care of this project: instructions for using, very durable screen material, 2 rolling tools, 1 plastic and the other metal, a handy tape measure, a razor cutter for trimming and a hook tool to help take the old spline out. The screen itself is tough and holds up well to wear and tear, making it ideal for areas that need extra resilience. The kit comes with clear instructions and all the necessary tools, making installation smooth and manageable, even for beginners. The kit comes with all the tools needed for installation and the instructions are quite clear. 1. Use the included hook to pull the old spline and remove the old screen. 2. Cut the new screen with about 2 excess border all the way around. 3. Use the convex side of the roller to push the spline in halfway, start and end at the same corner. 4. Use the concave side of the roller to push the spline in the rest of the way, angling toward the outside away from the tight part of the screen. 5. Use the enclosed razor blade to cut off the excess all the way around. Number 3. ADFORS Charcoal Screen Repair Kit. Say goodbye to torn window and door screens. This kit has everything you need for an easy fix. It includes a generous roll of durable fiberglass mesh, a handy spline tool, and the spline itself. You'll be able to repair up to 2 window screens or 1 screen door. This isn't just any screen, it's made of durable, high-quality fiberglass. It's easy to work with and built to last. The tight weave of the mesh effectively keeps bugs out while still allowing for good air circulation. Enjoy fresh air without the pests. With all the necessary tools included, repairing your screens is a simple DIY project. You might need scissors or a utility knife, but that's it. It's flame resistant for added safety and the charcoal color reduces glare while maintaining a clear view. With its long-lasting, PVC-coated fiberglass, it will stand up to wear and tear, keeping your home protected and looking great for years to come. What we like. If you're looking for a simple DIY project, this kit is a great choice. The durable mesh provides long-lasting protection. The flame-resistant material adds an extra layer of safety to your home. What people say. Good material, came with everything to install. The screen fit perfectly, the spline went in without a struggle and the excess material trimmed off very nicely with a box cutter. It took me all of 10 minutes to remove and replace and the results were great. It looks really professional. Number 2. Primeline P7515 Repair Kit. Is your screen door or window screen torn or damaged? This kit makes replacing it quick and easy. You'll be enjoying fresh air again in no time. This handy kit contains everything for a simple repair: fiberglass screen cloth, spline, and a rolling tool. It's a complete solution. The charcoal gray fiberglass screen cloth is durable and long-lasting. It's the perfect replacement for your old, damaged screen. With the included rolling tool, installing the new screen is a breeze. Just follow the simple instructions for a perfect fit. This kit is perfect for repairing screens on both windows and patio doors. It's a cost-effective way to restore your screens to their former glory. Don't let a damaged screen ruin your enjoyment of the outdoors. Order your Primeline P7515 repair kit today and get back to enjoying fresh air. What we like. If you prefer a straightforward installation process, this is the kit for you. It includes everything you need for a quick repair. The durable fiberglass screen cloth ensures a long-lasting fix for your windows or patio doors. What people say. My first time doing this, and it worked perfectly the first time. Very easy to replace a screen with holes in it. This product was so easy to use, I had my 12-year-old do it for all our windows. Great quality. The screen is perfect and feels just as durable as the original. Number 1. Window Screen Repair Kit. Say goodbye to annoying tears and holes in your window screens. This kit makes repairs quick and easy, so you can enjoy a bug-free home again. It's made with durable fiberglass and a strong, yet residue-free adhesive. It's safe for your family and the environment. This tape boasts a powerful adhesive that's also waterproof. It will stay put on your screens for a long time, keeping bugs out. Repairing your screens has never been simpler. Just cut it to the size you need and apply it over the damaged area. It's that easy. It's perfect for window screens, screen doors, and even tent mesh. Use it indoors or outdoors to patch up holes and tears wherever they appear. This kit comes in a generous 16.5-foot length, and it's resistant to both high and low temperatures. You'll have plenty to tackle all your repair needs. What we like. If you want a quick and easy solution for small tears and holes, this is a great option. Its strong adhesive ensures a long-lasting repair. The waterproof nature makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. What people say. Works great, fixed the screen on my RV camper door after my dog fell through it. Yes, fell, he knows what a screen door is and doesn't push through. I like that I can cut it to size. Self-stick and slightly hardens a while after install. It was so easy to use I didn't even read the instructions. Unroll, side-eye measuring, cut, and apply with one person on each side of the screen to give counter-pressure while sticking it across the hole. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.